Okay, so this is where we're at now. So I put the water to the line, then I put it over the actual brown case, and I let it sit for about 10-15 minutes. So I'm gonna pull it out, see what it tastes like. Well, you should drain the water. There's water left in here. You should drain it. See that line at the bottom? Drain the water. So do that right now. Okay. Do that. And then you can, if you want, you can like tear it at the lines and then eat it from there. Also comes with the tortillas too that you can eat it with. So let's see. Hold on. Okay, about to open it. Let's see. See what it tastes like. Okay, that's what it looks like here. See it? So we're gonna try some. Then I'm gonna open the tortillas. Alright. It's not bad. Yeah, I don't think it's that bad. Good enough, you know. Alright. Try the trail mix that was in there. I didn't like it too much. And it came with the chocolate chip bread, pastry bread. That was pretty good. So that's my review on the chicken burrito bowl for MRE.